Hello, this is Steve from the UCA Biology Department showing you how I record a video using PowerPoint. If you have no other way to record videos, this is a handy way. And actually, it's improved quite a bit since I last used it. So, within PowerPoint, on a PC here, I have a split screen so you can see a screen to the left and to the right. You don't need to have that to record a video, but it will let you see both sides of the screen here when I hit record. What I'm going to do is go into slideshow here and record slideshow. And when I push record slideshow, it's going to pop up like a window like this, and you can see me down here. I can turn the webcam on. I can mute my audio if I want. I can do all kinds of things, and I can go up here and hit record. If I hit record, it'll say 3, 2, 1. And then I can lecture and say, hi everybody, welcome to Biology 1441. Today we'll be discussing how the earth turned green. And I can show them a cladogram, and what I can do is I can talk and I can draw or circle things with a mouse, or if you have a Wacom tablet or some kind of pen, you can write on the screen, you can draw, you can create a white PowerPoint slide and treat it just like a whiteboard and draw pictures. You can highlight things using various features here. You have lots of options. So you make the video, you go through your screens, you talk about things, and when you are done, you can eventually hit stop. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this. And now what you see, you can hit replay, and it will. It actually saves the video to each slide. So I think you can share this as just a PowerPoint slide with video at the bottom of each corner if you want. But the other option is going to be then, so you can see here it's got my video at the bottom of each corner. The other option is then to go up here, File, let me see where it is here. I think maybe Save As, or is it, oh, Export. You go to export, and you can export this whole thing as a video and put it on YouTube and then share a link with your students. So that's a way to use PowerPoint to make lecture videos. I hope that's somewhat useful, and let me know if you have any questions. scarefed@uca.edu.